We're at Venice Beach. I'll show you what I see along the way. This is Santa Monica Pier. Here's a cool underpassage. So I'm on my way back. I wanted to check it out prior to recording it. It's a nice stretch. Not sure how long it is. I'll look it up later. But you can see the piers. Stopped at Egg Slut this morning to get breakfast. I haven't eaten it yet. So I started with a banana and coffee. So I still got my breakfast. It's a nice trail. It's a playground to the left. Got on the wrong sandals for this though. Improvising. I actually saw a guy riding his bike here. I haven't done that before. There are the beachfront properties. Look at Poo Poo. Yeah, cutie pie. I look like a I like to think of myself as a Glinda. She had on her little knickerbockers and her hat. I can't do it this morning. I'm hoarse. Slept underneath the air conditioner. Stands along the way. Surfers. I saw a school of surfers this morning. They were like under the age of 12. They were cuties. Getting in their lessons for the day. They're the Popo, Santa Monica. cafe. Oh, look at the tyke on his scooter. Tyke on his scooter. There are more beachfront properties to the left. Concession stands being set up. Another pool. Fellow Yogian.
And the scary thing is the
Playground to the right. There are a lot of restrooms along the path. Hi, how are you guys doing? Good. See ya. Patrons. It gets a little congested in this area. Oh look, that's a cat. A Siamese. How cute is that? That's a Siamese being walked. Look at this poo on the right. Hi Tutu, hi. He cute. Ladies. Oh shit, I almost ran into the curb. Hold on, man. Look at that bus. Old school. That's some retro bullshit. I like their signage. You can tell where you are. Some of the beaches are tough to navigate because the piers are confusing. This one's pretty good. Look at that. Oh, look, they're doing a cycling class on the beach. Look at that. That is cool. There's the ark. Wonder where all the animals are. There's a walker. I'll be doing that tomorrow if I don't rent a bike. I'll be walking the beach. Don't know what that contraption is. Uh-oh. I think he's with the guy running. Pretty sure he's with him. Beach camping. I'm pooped on camping. Thought about renting this place where I could camp near a pool, but it got booked. So I did something different. I might do this other spot. I'm not sure yet. Oh. Huh. Hold on. I hit a curb. Sorry.
That was a cell phone, right?
I know, it's crazy. I hit a curb and lost my phone. Woo. Fortunately, I caught it before the next person. I think I'm going to wrap it up because I got 20% battery life remaining. So I think I'll close it down. And I think there are probably some more bumps along the way. This is a different path than the one that I was on. It's a little bit more rigid. So that's it for now. Have a good day.